That's exactly what it sounds like when the grays come. I mean, so close to it. The grays come like and zip open the like space in front of me, and then I go with them to learn things. And I don't know if it can pick up, but I hear, like, I can distinguish conversation in there. Anyway, that's why I got put in a hospital one time, was because I said that I could hear that stuff.